Good afternoon. Here is the core element of the GreenFalcon platform for green fintech and for payments and whatsoever. Actually, this is the universal payment hub, so to say, which includes opportunities to conduct payments via any channels of distribution. This is omni-channel payment system, also this information system and product system. So system consists of invoices. You can make an invoice and send it either to email or to any kind of equipment, for example QR code or barcode reader, ATM, self-service kiosks, etc. Here is tab related to orders which were processed via our platform. You can choose up to 100, for example, and see it here. Here they are. Here you can see number of your order, place where your order was conducted. It can be either shop of the merchant on the ground or web shop. Account, that is usually username in the system from which this order was done. Client, date when it was created. Information related to delivery, so we can also integrate delivery services to this platform, such as for example Karim or Talabat or whatsoever, so that you can see the status of delivery of your product, good and service to your location, total cost in dirhams, and the main point of our green platform is carbon footprint. Each good and service contains its own carbon footprint, which can be calculated and provided to the platform, and one can compensate it either fully, partially, or more than fully. Let's proceed to check other tabs within the system. Here we can see delivery, for example via courier. Here we can see documents. You can make invoices here, you can make contracts here and apply those contracts and invoices and other documents to your products, goods and services. Here you can see all the payments done via the system. Here we see hash code, organization on behalf of which this payment was done, order ID, state, for example green one means it is conducted, then red clock that it is being conducted, payment method, payment URL, fiscal report is required, documents, you can add any document here, amount of payment. So this is statistics of all payments via all points of sales within our omni-channel platform. Here we see products and services. You can create any new product and apply it to certain organization within our ecosystem, within our platform. Here upside you can see the numerous organizations, and here we apply image, carbon footprint, category group, category type, organization, product name, article and number. And definitely carbon footprint as well. Let's go next. Here we can see reports. Here we can see clients, Client is a set of organizations or individual customers or whatsoever. We can add a new client to the system and choose which kind of organization will be it linked to. Loyalty program. We can issue loyalty cards and loyalty programs. It will be dependent upon several scenarios. For example, in terms of our green payment system, green merchant can provide his green customer some free cup of coffee for 10 carbon footprint certificates purchase. Notifications. System can communicate with notification as well via different transfers. For example, email, SMS, messenger, or push notification to the WhatsApp or whatsoever. Settings. It's more technical stuff, but it's very flexible. You can make product collections, you can make product groups, etc., product types, etc., timetables. You can make a special timetable for your point of sale, for your shop, or for your waiter, or for any other of your employees. Here we've got elements of the processing system. Don't forget that it is the fully functional omni-channel payment processing system which can work with any kind of equipment and points of sales, whether these are ATMs, these are payment kiosks, or mobile applications, or website, or API. And we've got here, for example, on this screen, ATM transactions, some transactions of some clients within our platform. Here we can see transactions. You can see successful transaction statuses, providers, points, server time, when it was processed, number of the account, etc., etc. You can install any kind of processing gateways. Processing gateway means an entity, special application within our platform which is responsible for processing any kind of transaction, cards or cash or crypto or e-money, anything. Here we also got tickets for supports, organizations, places, place group, employees, points, communication with external services, for example with deliveries, payment methods, payment gateways. System is just the universal Lego constructor, so to say, from which bricks you can build any kind of business process in the field of electronic top-up payments applying to a project. Let's go back to our green agenda. This is just one of the parts. Our green agenda is just one of the parts and features of our platform. Let's create an order. Here we can choose organization on behalf of which we are making an order. Here we choose place, for example UA shop, clients, client, email, surname, name, patronymic. Let's set. Here we added green apples. Let's add Ramadan iftar box as well. So we can see the price of the good, amount, sum, and CO2 which is associated with the consumption of this product. Also we can add some certificates, CO2 certificates, in order to make compensation on offsetting of this carbon footprint. Let's go to checkout. So order is appearing here in the dashboard. You should mention that order can be paid by several means of payments. Also, all those transactions, all this functionality is also applicable in terms of our very robust API, which we can apply to be used in third-party software and services, for example in restaurant software. Okay, let's make a new payment for that. Here we go. We can choose which payment method we use. Is a card or website or wire transfer or even crypto. Even crypto is possible. And here will appear a QR code which can be scanned, and then you will be redirected to the website where you can pay this bill, pay this amount, and compensate carbon footprint as well. And the transaction will be split in two parts. One part goes to the merchant itself, and another part is GreenTips. Tips to nature goes to provider of carbon offsetting project. For example, mangrove trees in the UAE. So leave some tips to nature. Nature is our best waiter.